Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants pudding. Start by tearing croissants into bite-sized pieces and arranging them in a baking dish. Whisk eggs, sugar, vanilla, and milk until smooth, then pour evenly over croissants. Press gently so pastry soaks the custard, then let it rest 20 minutes. Bake until puffed and golden and serve warm with fruit or whipped cream. Whisking technique matters for a silky custard and easy digestion during baking. Warm the milk slightly, then slowly whisk it into beaten eggs to temper and avoid curdling. Stir in sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt, then taste and adjust sweetness. If you like richer pudding, replace part of the milk with cream. Pour the custard over the croissants and press gently so the layers absorb evenly before resting. Bake at 350 degrees F for about 30 to 40 minutes, watching for golden top and set center. If the top browns too fast, tent with foil and continue baking until just set. Rest the pudding for 10 minutes to firm up so slices hold their shape. Garnish with berries, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a drizzle of crème anglaise for contrast, and enjoy a comforting dessert that highlights flaky croissant layers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.